Gemini Spotlight.
And the second tool I want to show you came out last week, and that's from Google. This is specifically for Mac OS. Okay, so right now this feature, Speak to Screen, is only available for Mac OS. You download it from their website, from the Gemini app, and once you launch it, you'll get this. You sign in with your Google account. Let me just do it quickly. What you can see, as soon as I log in, it presents this notification that they add the ability to write and use your voice. So Speak to Screen, they call it. And there are two levels of this, and I'll show you what you can do. By default, it uses the function key, as you can see here in the option, but you can definitely change it. So let me click next, and they have the advanced mode where you can speak to a screen. There are some reference files in there, and when you speak, it will take your speech and translate into an action that Gemini can do for you. I disable it because it creates really weird scenarios where I'm trying to do something on my coding screen, translated my ask if it was for Gemini and not for my coding CLI like Codec. Let's turn it on. So it's enabled, and you can see this available over here. But if you want to set this up, you go into the settings here, and you can see this is my main settings is speak to window. Over here, you can also define the key it will be using. So for example, you can say double tap function key, and you can hold the function key, very similar to what I showed you, the hybrid mode. You can double tap or push to talk. And that's the use reasoning option. As I mentioned, I don't like it. I disable it, but give it a shot. They showed a really cool demo where the person was talking. He had a folder open and his email, and it asked Gemini, it literally using his voice, to create some sort of an email based on the files in that folder, and it did it automatically. And that's one of the features right now that is available with Google Gemini app on your computer, because unlike the cloud version, it has access to your local file system, so it can use that. And hopefully they will enhance it and add some other cool things like MCP skills and so forth, which were way behind everyone else. So this is the Gemini. Let's disable it, and I'll quickly show you how to use it. And again, it's going to use the function key. So I'm going to use the function key to dictate. And let me go back into my text note. So I'm going to hold the function key. Hi, this is a test of Google. I'm just trying to see if Gemini Speak to Window works. So that was Gemini